Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to fix missing desktop icons in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop, you can see some missing icons from some respective applications. So you can see here one application's icon is missing, let us name as handbrake, and below you can see some more icons are missing. So how you can fix such kind of issues? So for this, what you need to do, just open this PC. Now before proceeding further, if you're using a Windows 10, then you can click on view and just enable this hidden items. And if you're using a Windows 7, then you need to go to the files and you will search for like organize or files organize. So in Windows 10 you can go to view and just enable the hidden items. So if you're using a Windows 7 also, just enable these options by going to the file and organize options. So after that, what you need to do, just open the system drive or the C drive where you have installed the Windows operating system. Now after that, you can see here users, right, this one. So just open it. After that, you choose the folder of your respective name of your computer or what you have set during your creations of the Windows OS. So in my case, it's named as work, so it might be different depending upon your name, what you have put in your Windows computer. So just open that folder. Now here you can see a folder named as app data, right? So just open this folder. After that, you can see in the first, the local folder, just open it. Now here, just scroll down and you will see one file named as iconsese.db. so you can see this file here. So what you need to do, just right click it and just click on delete. So you need to delete this file. So after deleting this file, just close this window. Now one more thing you need to do is just press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the text manager. Now in the text manager, just scroll down below and search for application name as Windows Explorer. Just select it and you can see here in the bottom restart. Just click on restart. Voila, now you can see the default icons of the respective missing icons has been restored back. So in this way you can fix any missing desktop icons in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in understanding this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.